Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I went to Dollar General looking for Halloween goodies, and look what I found for $1. I'm a little surprised I can still find items for $1 at Dollar General. Look, these are some cute craft kits, and these are like foam puzzles you put together. How adorable, right? Just no glue or scissors needed. So I found the house. Look at that. I picked up 3. I wanted 2, but I guess I picked up 3. And then I got 1 truck. I will need to go back to see if I can find another truck. But look at this. How adorable is that truck? Cute. And then I found some headbands too. These are witch hat headbands. Look at that, how cute. I plan to disassemble mine and just use the hat in a project, but look. This is orange with like spider web tool on there, and then it's sparkled with some silver glitter. And then I picked up this one too. Now this one also has the webbing tool, but it's hard to tell because it's a black hat. But look at all the silver sparkles on there. I like it. I picked up 1 color of each one. Let's see. I did find a lot of stuff. And look. I found a candy corn happy Halloween sign. I like this one. This is so cute. So let me measure this right quick for you. It is about 9.5 across. How cute. I like this. $1. And then, let's see. I found some eyeballs. These are sticky eyeballs. They only had like 3 colors in stock, but I chose the orange and the green. I picked up 2 of the orange. And I was just thinking that this would be great in a project, right? Look at that. It's nice and squishy. And then they only had the 1 green, so I picked up the 1 green. Let's see. And then I picked up some spider rings. These are glow-in-the-dark spider rings. You get 36 spiders in there. And then this one, you also get 36 spiders. And these are just colored spider rings. You get the purple, the lime green, orange, and the aqua colors. But I like this. Cute. I also found these plastic chains. See, it's that link chain. I like it. These are 38 inches long. So I picked up I picked up 4. I want to use this as a garland on one of my Halloween trees. Look at this. Isn't that neat? I hope 4 of these is long enough. But how cute. Either way, I will make it work. I like those. I like that color on there. It's like, it actually looks like a link fence, right? I found these too. These are novelty clips, and you get 18 in a package. And I picked up 2. Look at this. It's the clothespin. See? And then you get the little pumpkins on them. Now, if you don't want to use it like this, you can definitely take the pumpkins off and use the pumpkins in another project. But I like it. So you just heat the glue on the back, and then it should pop right off. And then reuse the pins in another project, right? So yeah, I like those cute little lanterns on there. So picked up 2 of those. And then the last few items I picked up are tabletop signs. So these are also $1. Look at this. It says boo. That is so cute. And then I got this one too. This one says, let's get spooky. Oh, cute. I plan to put some googly eyes in there. Wouldn't that be cute? That way you go like this, you're like, oh, googly eyes. I have plenty of googly eyes I can utilize. And then the last two items are these. This one says October 31st or 31 with a cute Halloween hat at the top. And then this one's Candy Corn Cutie. My favorite. So cute. And these cubes are 3 inches. And then these are, let's see, 6 inches by 2.5 this way. They're cute little size. Look at that. It's a, decent width on the wood block. So it'll actually stand up like this. I like those. I'm quite happy I was able to stop by Dollar General and take a look at all the Halloween goodies. They were still putting out Halloween items, so I will check back to see what else they have, put out in the time since my last visit. But look at this. I like it. I like using these spiders because they're nice and skinny and pliable. See there? Look at that. I like these. So you can squish them into an ornament, or you can squish them in a tube, whatever you want. Look at this. I like these. Cute. And then I'm quite happy I found these sticky eyeballs. I do buy these every year, these sticky eyes, and I usually tuck it into one of the trick-or-treater bags, and they love that stuff. I love giving out novelty items for Halloween. My favorite. But I would like to work on these DIY craft kits. These are so cute. I think I will make a little Halloween village with this one, right? It's so cute. I like that one. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.